Hi everybody. This is my project for the CS50 Introduction to Databases with SQL course. The project's name is Yolurt, Artisanal Yogurt. It focuses on database management for yogurt production, bringing organization and efficiency to artisanal goodness. At first, managing customer and product info in Excel worked great. But as orders started growing, things got tricky. Finding data and staying organized became a challenge. That's when we realized we needed a proper database. With a structured schema, we can keep everything organized, work more efficiently, and set Yolurt up for future success. The database schema is a game changer. It's built to manage product catalogs, track every order, and deliver powerful insights through reporting. These features will supercharge efficiency and fuel Yolurt's growth to the next level. I'm so excited to keep refining Yolurt's operations. A big thank you to the amazing CS50 team for this incredible course. It's been an awesome learning journey.